Welcome back everybody. Part 2 of my Optare Excel 2 Mark II FD02sfn. As you could tell, Manchester, Express, Squarehead, Manchester. Yeah, that's just been redone. It is, and one big one there. It's only a new fabric, but I'm applying for a National Heritage Lottery grant. Help with this. She's now 20 years old on the 2nd of July. She's 20 years old when exactly the same day she's moving to a new home. Yeah, so the ramp's actually gone down, wheelchair ramp, hydraulic. Just in the video before this one. Number 11, Red Road. There's a truck, man truck. Water. It's got tinted windows already, so that's the only thing I like about Optare. If also about that one. As you can tell. You get a new fuel sign. If anybody knows where I can get a fuel cap thing from, to cover a fuel cap, appreciated. Oh, this needs redoing. Took a fair amount of fuel in it. So now I'll have to pick some up if we got enough money. Yeah, so that's nothing else to do, that's all. Make sure the panels will be secured. I'll do a driving video after I leave. She's a stubborn bus for a wheelchair ramp. Doors, hydraulics, loadable. Lights, or fog lights. Don't know what I want to use here because it doesn't work. Normal lights. Drivers, left, right. Lights. Double sort of fan there. And there's for the blowers. Doesn't work, they don't work. Hot, cold, CCTV, alarm, everything. Usual. Turn it off because I want, so I'll keep it on just in case. Bouncing transmission. Standard cab. to the right. She's a good boss. Can be a stubborn boss, but she's good. Yeah. If you like, comment, subscribe for more. But fix this now. That's me. Hi. You screw in. That was for the single one.